Hello and welcome to a new fishing adventure. So let's go catch some carp. Right, so we're all baited up and ready for our first cast. As you can see, we're back in pond Žeje. Last time we were here in the afternoon and we caught one nice carp. This time we came here early, it's about 6 a.m. We're gonna be here for about 6 hours. I have already seen carp jumping out of the water and hopefully we're gonna catch some carp. Up to this point we managed to catch 2 carp, small carp. Hopefully the next one's gonna be a bit bigger. So we just caught another carp. He was about 3 to 4 kilos. Gave us a nice fight. So this is the 3rd carp today. And hopefully we're gonna catch one more. I believe that this will be the last cast out of the day. So either I'm gonna be coming back to you with another carp or I'm gonna say goodbye.